machine. You just, oh my gosh.
Yeah, the main thing is willing. So here's the deal. About the time when you're starting out, about the time you're like, I need the car to turn this much, right? It's A, you're not turning it enough, and B, you're late on coming up with that decision because the decision ends up being based on experience as well as what you see. And when you first start, all you have is what you see and what you feel, right?
Right.
So to combat that, turn that wheel more. As soon as you want to turn it like, it's like, I think I need to do this, right? Turn it like this. You can always let up. Just give it more and do it fast. And that little tip helped me so much. Like even after I'd been doing this for a whole year, it was like, turn faster, turn more. Because it is easier to correct by letting some back than it is to be like, oh, I need more. I wonder if there is any more.